Hello, welcome viewing to my today's video. Today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this customized 360 full lace crochet wig cap from scratch. Please, if it's your first time stopping by to view to my channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a new video. I tell you, you will never regret subscribing to my channel. So let's take you there, dear. So here is my self-made lace wig cap. I mean the lace which I constructed by myself. So here is color 1 ultra 1 pack. So what I did here is I cut it, I removed the label and shade the hair extension into 2 parts. And I make use of 1 part first. That 1 part I make sure I cut it into 3. You can see this line here. This line is where I join the 2 layers together and sew it with needle and thread. So here I got to crochet to cover this very line here to make sure it wouldn't get loose. I mean to make sure where I connect the 2 layers together will not be loosed. Maybe when I'm trying to brush it after I might have finished making the hair. You can see how I'm doing it. All you need here is just to watch and watch very well. You will understand every bit of what I'm doing here. So here I will be using razor and chef comb to trim off my back hairline edges. And I line my hairline from front to the back with a concealer first. So that when I place the lace on my hair, it will be very easy for me to get my hairline and shape correctly. So here at the front, I will be doing a customized crocheting. Meaning I will be crocheting line by line to make it look that natural. So here I'll be using got2b edge control with brush to brush my edges away from my hairline, and I tied the head scarf for like 10 minutes. And here I'll be using some rubbing alcohol with cotton wool to clean my hairline. This hair adhesive here for lace wig is perfect for me when I'm putting on anything lace on my hair. It helps the lace stick very well and hold it very well on my head. No matter how I comb it, it will still be there. Here I will be using this Kekwa hairspray. It moisturizes and conditions any kind of hair texture. So here is the final look of the hair. You can see how beautiful the hair is. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Here I can style it anyhow I want. Thanks guys for watching. God bless you all and see you in my next video. Bye.